I'm here with Greg Torrin, who's a farmer in Illinois, and he's using beef cattle as part of his regenerative cropping farm. Greg, tell us a bit about how the cattle fit in.
Actually, for the soil health end of it, in the regenerative farming, it's the biology that the cattle will move around. We get to utilize different cover crops, which is very beneficial for the soil. We use diverse cover crop mixes, and then we also integrate the livestock. I've had livestock my whole life as growing up in that, and the livestock themselves, like I say, is a very vital tool to increase biology in the soil and to feed the biology in the soil. They get to use the crop residues. We interseed 60-inch row corn, so they have a green plant to forage on after we harvest our dry corn in the fall of the year. And as far as our pastures, we're in a very, if you notice here, a very hilly area. We're in the driftless area in the northwest corner of Illinois. So we have a lot of rolling ground. We're able to utilize the pasture on our different owned farms and rented farms, and that's better for the soil health and the ecosystem in the total environment. So that's pretty much the just why we do things.
Greg, I've traveling around. I don't see a lot of fences in Illinois, and I see these Gallagher shepherds on these cattle. Tell me why you use those.
We've had very good luck with the Gallagher system, the fencing system, for about 4 or 5 years, the step-in post and the wire and the energizers. And I discovered that Gallagher has the shepherd system with the fenceless grazing, and the fenceless system. So I went with them because I was really pleased with the prior equipment that I had purchased from them. I've been very pleased with these. It's not a perfect system, but there isn't a perfect system out there. I did like the longevity of the batteries. They claim that the batteries may last 7 to 10 years. So if you have them on a cow, that may last the lifetime of a cow or more or less, depending on the animal. But we're very pleased with what we've seen with the eShepherd system here so far, anyway. And we're able to do things. Example, what we're doing here now, these are fall calves. They were born last October. They're not quite a year old, but we've got these calves in places that we'd never be able to fence. And they're doing very well. We're just really pleased with the whole system.
Very good. Thank you.